My name is Nurshuhaina binti Shufi. Metric number is 264204.
Hello, I am Munira Huda binti Kamal. My metric number is 264876.
Today we are going to talk about our nature. Munira, what do you think about nature?
For me, I think nature is a phenomena that's around the world. The term of nature also refers to the natural environment such as land, rocks, seas, beach, forests, and others. So, based on my definition that I explained just now, do you think that nature is very important?
Yes, exactly. Nature gives us more important, such as food to eat, water to drink, and land to live.
Yes, I agree with you. This aspect of nature that is very important. We should take care of it and do not try to damage it.
Oh, but Mira, I really love to go to the place with involved the nature.
Oh, really? Why should you share some experience with me?
Sure. You know what? I always go to the beach at Kelantan.
Wow.
It has many beach at Kelantan, but it is not too beautiful like pantai in Terengganu, because some unresponsible people, they throw rubbish everywhere, which make the scenery of the beach really bad.
Oh, I see. It sounds so sad about our nature.
With the cup of water here and everywhere, they throw. It's like they didn't feel the responsibility to look the beautiful scenery. Like, when we go to the beach, we want to see the beautiful scenery. We want to breathe the fresh air.
Next, I would like to share with you guys how to take care of our nature. So, the first point is our responsibility itself. People should not throw rubbish anywhere. They need to have a good action. For example, if you see a rubbish around you, then why not you throw the rubbish into the dustbin? Then try to love nature as you love yourself. Don't put on your mindset that when you throw the rubbish, then people will clean it up to you. No. This is your responsibility.
Secondly is the role of government. Government should take an action such that make a campaign like reduce, reuse and recycle. More than that, go green. In order to reach the awareness, the government should be held the campaign at the school, at the shopping center, at the market and other places. Government also provide more dustbin at every corner of the beaches, at the place at the public place. we have to take care of our nature because it will get the disasters such like
rain acid, flash flood, landslide, or maybe flora and fauna will diminish or not grow healthier. End up, our nature will not give us benefit for future generations.
That's all from us. Thank you. Bye.